Distract.
Like someone.
Hindi mo alam.
Dapat mo kasi yung mic. Pairamin mo siya ng mic.
Rosa Bagay ang podcast ni Lunch in my head.
Mayroon mo isang mic. Dalawa. Sige, dalawa. Sige.
When I'm there.
Huwag ka na malikod. Kaya mo yun, di ko alam yan.
While marching band keeps its own beat in my head while we're talking. But all of that things I long to believe. Kaya pa ako. Baby, you're all that I need.
Kaya na.
I wanna lay you down in a bed of roses. For tonight